Hi, I'm Greg Haar, Information Security Officer with RMP, a Meduit company. Every sector of the healthcare industry has embraced the importance of digital innovation, and now we are starting to see priorities shifting toward increasing connectivity between providers and patients and optimizing the data being collected to be able to draw better insights from it. There are many digital trends emerging that are having an impact on the healthcare industry, but there are 4 that are having a greater impact on business operations. Big data in healthcare refers to electronic health data sets so large and complex that they're difficult or impossible to manage with traditional tools and methods. Most practices are already using some of the analytics tools meant to manage big data within their systems, but they're not using them to their full potential. It's not enough to simply input data into an EHR. Providers must be able to organize and analyze that data and extract insights that can be applied to initiatives that drive a healthier bottom line. The primary issue we are facing is that much of the information being gathered is siloed into the systems collecting it, and we have yet to find a way to aggregate it all into one place. When the tools to do this become available, it'll fundamentally alter how treatment is delivered. For now, there are some tools emerging that your organization should already be using, like web portals and dialer technology with speech analytics capabilities. And there are new tools that you should consider, like predictive analytics for denial management and patient collections. One of the largest contributors to big data in healthcare is the wearable device. There were nearly $31 billion in fitness tracker sales last year alone, and the associated growth in sensor technology is changing how healthcare is delivered. Hospitals are using the data from these devices to develop personalized wellness plans, and their use is cutting down on costs, reducing readmissions, and improving reimbursement. Patients already rely on video consults with providers and 24/7 access to their information via portals and apps. And they're taking more control of their own health tracking through Fitbits and Apple Watches. As a result, there is growing demand for real-time access to health and financial information. Patient portals and an online presence give patients the access they want, as well as the ability to respond and engage with their providers. mHealth, looked at a little more broadly, brings us to the trend of the Internet of Things. The term Internet of Things refers to the concept of connecting any device with an on-off switch to the internet or to each other. By 2020, we expect to be part of a network of more than 26 billion connected devices. This giant network of things may result in less office visits overall, but still allows for enhanced engagement. The importance of patient engagement cannot be understated. It's what drives reimbursement and the bottom line of every healthcare organization in the country. However, the desire for enhanced connectivity through the Internet of Things can also lead to the greatest challenge facing the industry today: data security. While mHealth and the Internet of Things opens the door for many growth opportunities and improved engagement, it also poses a great security risk. As the amount of data being collected and the network of devices storing it grows in size, a focus on ensuring the security of that network becomes extremely important. As the industry becomes increasingly digital, healthcare organizations must be able to control how data is shared within the organization and remotely with patients. Behavioral analytics-based protection is the future of data security. Just as viruses deployed by hackers are learning to identify sensitive information, behavior-based tools are learning how to identify ever-mutating virus signatures. In order to keep pace with the Internet of Things and the threats it presents, you must play offense, not defense. Protecting your systems from known risks using traditional antivirus is a good way to get hacked. Shift to defense in-depth strategy, where layers of security are put in place to protect not only against incoming threats, but also against the ones that may already be in your system. I appreciate your time today. Be sure to have a look at our website, check out our online innovation lab, or give us a call to learn why Meduit knows revenue cycle management like no one else.